Have you ever wondered what single design tweak can instantly elevate your bedroom to feel like a luxury retreat? Here's a hint. It's all about layering textures. Whether you're styling a compact space or a grand master suite, creating a high-end look is easier than you think. In this video, we'll uncover 100 stunning modern bedroom design trends that can transform your space into a stylish sanctuary, all without breaking the bank. Let's start with the hottest trends making waves this year. Minimalist elegance is dominating bedroom design right now. Think clean lines, soft neutral tones, and a focus on simplicity. But that doesn't mean your space has to feel cold or sparse. To add warmth and depth, designers are embracing natural materials like rattan, wood, and woven textiles. These elements create a cozy yet refined aesthetic that blends comfort with sophistication. On the other hand, bold statement designs are also having a moment. Jewel tones like deep emerald, sapphire blue, and rich burgundy are being paired with sleek metallic finishes for a luxurious yet dramatic effect. For those seeking a more serene vibe, consider soft pastels paired with creamy whites, a perfect combination for cultivating a peaceful atmosphere. Choosing the right color palette is key to establishing your desired mood. This season's most coveted combinations include earthy neutrals, soft sage greens, and warm terracotta tones, all ideal for creating a grounded, inviting space. If you prefer something bolder, try adding accents of brushed gold, black metal, or even deep charcoal for a contemporary edge. If you're hesitant about adding color, start with textiles. Throw pillows, blankets, or a statement rug are simple yet effective ways to introduce new hues without commitment. Now let's talk furniture, because the right pieces can dramatically improve both style and function. For a modern, luxurious vibe, opt for low-profile platform beds with sleek, upholstered headboards. This design choice instantly creates a hotel-inspired feel that's both relaxing and stylish. Maximize your space with multifunctional furniture, like nightstands with extra storage or ottomans that double as seating. And if you're dealing with a smaller room, consider floating shelves or wall-mounted lighting to save floor space and create an airy feel. Here's where that magic tip we mentioned earlier comes in. Layering textures is one of the easiest ways to achieve a designer look. Start with soft, breathable linens for your bedding, then add layers of knitted throws, plush velvet cushions, and textured rugs. For an extra touch of luxury, try incorporating faux fur accents, chunky knit blankets, or even a statement upholstered bench at the foot of your bed. Details matter, and thoughtful styling can elevate your entire space. Consider incorporating ceramic vases, artisanal pottery, or sculptural lighting to create points of interest in your bedroom. Adding curated decor items like candles, books, or dried floral arrangements will create a cohesive and inviting look. Another hot trend: gallery walls with a mix of framed artwork and personal photos. They're a perfect way to express your personality while enhancing the overall aesthetic of the room. Want a high-end look without overspending? Try these cost-effective ideas. Swap out standard drawer pulls for brushed brass or matte black hardware. An instant facelift for your furniture. Use peel and stick wallpaper for a bold accent wall that's both affordable and easy to change. Upgrade your lighting with statement pendant lamps or chic bedside sconces to enhance the ambience without splurging. For those working with limited square footage, maximizing space is key. Use mirrors to reflect light and create the illusion of more room. Consider investing in underbed storage solutions or hanging organizers to keep clutter at bay while maintaining a clean, sophisticated vibe.